What do we do here? Well, a lot of the things we do here it's very much practice-based, okay? There's a certain amount of academic study, but a lot of your work is practice-based projects based on real-world situations in sound dubbing and sound design for film, television, gaming, etc.
Within the course, we're doing lots of practice work and we are very busy, and I think it's because they try to put us in a professional environment in the real world by giving lots of tasks at the same time.
I think the good thing about studying here was you're introduced to all the aspects of post-production sound design, and then you get to find out what's best for you. We had a class, a lecture and a session in Foley, and that was it was really fun and enjoyable to do, and that's when you find out if you can do it or not.
Hi, so this is Matt Baker here. I've got a message from Matt Baker here as well.
As a visual artist and a musician, this course was perfect for what I wanted to explore. One of the main attractions was really the sound lab, which we're sitting in, which was an ambisonics mixing lab, I guess, and the 5.1, both of which I don't think you'd have the opportunity to explore sort of creatively unless you were involved in the industry.
My name's Paul Wilson. I do commercial dubbing and sound post-production along with music composition for commercial clients. Because I specialise working with commercial clients, the students get hands-on experience about what it's like in the real world doing real-time tasks to very tight deadlines.
I think having Paul Wilson linked to the course has been a fantastic resource available to you. It's always brilliant to have professionals there for reference and to help you along. He really gave me a lot of good advice which has come with me into the workplace.
So hopefully graduates in this course pick up a considerable sort of a proportion of these skills through the sort of subjects they take here, and go out into the big bad world and start producing content that's in the end going to be hopefully world beating.